Okay, so when I bought this trailer, it's a 20-foot trailer, has 9,000 pound axles, so it's capable of hauling quite a bit. It's got a decent height in the ceiling, but double axle. This is probably one of the smaller cars I'll have in there, and some cars are worse than this. It's hard, it makes it really hard to get in and out. Some it's impossible, you gotta crawl through the window. This one, because I've got it over to the right, I can actually get in it. It'd make it easier if I pulled off so without denting it, I gotta basically crawl in like that. So that's where it's like, gotta have a winch in here to pull these cars in, because you get in and you can't get out. So anyway, we're gonna try to put a winch in, so I gotta go get all the supplies and then we'll see if we can get her done. So once I figured out that I needed to put a winch in the trailer, then hello, Harbor Freight. I went there and I think I got everything I need. So I got a 9,000 pound winch, mounting channel, trailer hitch. I've got a battery box, battery cables, I have a battery inside, and I got some extra ratchets. So we'll see if we can get this thing installed today. Okay, so we're working on the mount for this hitch. I've got the Badland universal mount. I'm going to mount it about an inch in front of these tie downs, and looking at it, the tie downs will clear. I don't want to cut this to fit in between here because it'll affect the integrity, and I don't know how else to go in. I can't go into the cabinet, so it has to be mounted in front. So I think I've got it. I'll show you the underside. Because the tie downs are already mounted here, it's got an aluminum backing plate welded in here. The front holes to that plate will be about 4 inches, so they'll be in here on both sides. So I probably want to put something up front too, but I figure 4 grade A bolts holding it into this backing, and maybe 1 over here to anchor it to the floor should be good enough. This is 1/4 inch aluminum mounted to the frame, so should be good. I'm not a structural engineer, but okay, so I have it where I want it. I'm going to mark these holes. Again, there's 4 of them. All right. So we'll see how the drill does going through this aluminum. Okay, I did test the bit on the plate underneath, and it seemed to cut through it pretty easy. Okay. Okay, so I've got it hooked up to where it's functional. I still have a couple things to do. I've got to figure out how to mount that battery. Probably put a hanger for the remote. I've got the strap to hook it to the car. You got to go around the spare tire. So I've got a few things to figure out, but basically we got a functional winch. I went ahead and drilled out the mount and put in 7/16 grade A bolts to hold it. Again, it's through the floor to the aluminum backing plate for the tie downs. So should be pretty secure. I mean, I'm not going to pull a tank onto here, but it's a 9,000 pound winch, so we'll give it a shot either Monday or Tuesday. I got to pick up my Alpha from the shop, so we'll give it a shot. But,